Hi, this is Tom from Team Pro Cycle. Today we're going to be covering the TW200 shift lever install. It's going to be a couple tools you'll need: 10mm wrench, an 8mm wrench, and possibly a flathead screwdriver. This is going to be a little bit of a shorter video from us, but there are a couple of reasons why you may want to change or remove your shift lever. Maybe you bent or broke yours. Maybe you want a little bit stronger one. Maybe you want a little bit longer one. We chose to go with this one from Moose Racing as it's a little bit higher build quality. We get the aesthetic appeal with the blue anodizing, and we get the more positive contact with the knurled tip on the end of the shift lever. Now we're going to locate the bolt on the bottom side of the shifter. Go ahead and use your 10mm wrench to completely remove the bolt. If you have the stock skid plate, you can use a socket wrench as we do in the video. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the back side of the shifter a little bit to get it off. Sometimes they can get gummed up with grease and dirt. Go ahead and take that off, and then you'll want to clean the splines after it's removed. Now go ahead and throw on your new shift lever, trying to keep it as level with the deck as possible, in line with your foot peg. Go ahead and put in your new bolt. Be sure to adjust it side to side where you'd like it. There is a little bit of adjustment there. And before you tighten it all the way down, go ahead and get on the bike and feel if that's where you like it. You may need to drop it down one spline or bring it back up. It's all personal preference. After you figure that out, go ahead and go back underneath the bike and tighten down that bolt. Be sure not to over tighten the bolt, as the shifter is aluminum in this case. Congratulations, you have installed the new shifter on your TW200. If you like what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up down below and drop a message in the comments. We'd like to hear from you. And please, if you haven't done so already, subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And subscribe to our newsletter for awesome deals and promotions and information. Thanks again, and remember, back roads are no roads, and the adventure begins here.